Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the question and outcome. This directs every choice after. Once defined, scan available data for size, structure, and missingness percentages and make a short data dictionary. Then pick an initial model family, linear, logistic, or mixed, based on outcome type and clustering. You should also set reproducibility scaffolding now, a script-driven environment, version control, and a README noting assumptions and software versions so you can iterate confidently without losing context. Now clean and transform the data. Coerce types, flag outliers, and decide on imputation versus explicit missingness indicators. Once done, create features, log transforms, standardized scaling, and interaction terms where theory suggests effects. Fit the chosen model and immediately run diagnostics. Inspect residual patterns, variance inflation factors for multicollinearity, and convergence behavior for complex models. Make iterative adjustments, respecify predictors or regularize, so finish by validating model performance using cross-validation or a holdout set, and if needed, bootstrap to stabilize inference. Then write up results, report parameter estimates, confidence intervals, effect sizes, and any sensitivity analyses. Make a tidy reproducible package of scripts, data cleaning steps, and figures. If results look unstable, check sample size, influential points, or model misspecification. Rerun with simpler models or robust estimators as a troubleshooting step to isolate the source of instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.